In this video, we're going to show you how to install the sway bar end link on your Jeep Wrangler located on the rear suspension. Using a 19mm socket, loosen and remove the lug nuts. Now that we have all the lug nuts removed, go ahead, loosen, remove the wheel, and set it aside. On the bottom of our link here, we have an 18mm head on the bolt side and a 14mm nut over here. You want to go ahead, loosen, and remove this bolt. Now, if you follow the link straight up, there's another bolt up top. That is an 18mm. We're going to use an 18mm deep socket. And we're going to tap this on. The reason why we're using a deep socket is we have to clear the control arm here so we can go ahead and put our wrench or ratchet on there. Now the nut on the other side is attached to a tab. The tab itself should hold that nut in place while we loosen the bolt. And we did spray this down prior with some rust penetrant. Now as that bolt comes out, the nut should drop out with that locking tab. Here's the nut with the tab. Now you can go ahead and remove the bolt. We're going to pop our ratchet off of that because our socket is stuck on that bolt. Go ahead and remove that unit. Go ahead and pop your socket off. Now I want to go ahead and remove this bolt from here. If it's stuck, I'm just going to put my ratchet on this here and zip this bolt right out of the end link. Take your replacement end link, and we took our bolt, we cleaned it up and put some anti-seize compound onto that. I'm going to slide this through. I'm going to take our tab here with the nut. I'm going to slide this up into place. You just want to get that bolt started into that nut. Now on the bottom side here, with the top loose, let's go ahead and install the bolt here. We also cleaned this one here and put some anti-seize compound on it. Just pull down on that. Go ahead and get that nut started. Now we're going to go back to the top, and I'm going to use my electric ratchet here to go ahead and run that bolt in. Just want to snug that down. Now let's snug down the lower bolt here. Torque these bolts to 40 foot-pounds. I'm just going to use my box 14 here to hold that. Now that you're torqued upper and lower, go ahead and repeat this process for the driver's side. Install your wheel. I want to go ahead and get the lug nuts all started by hand first, and then we'll come on back and snug them down. Go ahead and torque down the lug nuts to 100 foot-pounds.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.